Welcome to Glass Technology's long crack repair training video. The basic equipment required for long crack repair consists of a crack jack, pit tape, bottle of CR or crack repair resin, preferably adapted with a needle cap, a drill, razor blade, and a UV lamp. Several crack jack designs are available to optimize the positioning and effect of this tool for different areas of the glass. To begin the repair process, start by positioning a piece of non-transparent tape such as electrical tape, to cover any subsurface fractures that are part of the main break or chip while exposing as much of the long crack repair as possible. Think of the electrical tape as being a mini sunshade designed to block the main break from exposure to UV light. This will prevent any resin that overflows from the crack into the main break from curing until a later time. Next, apply light pressure to the underside of the crack to determine the stability and true stopping point of the crack. Equip the drill with a medium or large drill bit and adjust to a medium to high speed setting. Bracing your hand against the windshield, drill a hole that is approximately 1/16 to 1/8 of an inch past the end of the crack. This distance is designed to provide an area of cushion and ensure that the drill hole remains positioned ahead of the crack. After the point of interception is established, light pressure can be applied from the underside of the crack to ensure that the two connect with each other. Apply a small amount of lubricant to the suction cup of the crack jack and attach it to the underside of the glass so that it runs perpendicular to the path of the crack. Once the crack jack is attached, position the center pressure foot directly under the crack and begin lowering it towards the glass until light contact is achieved. Once contact is made, increase the pressure by 1 to 2 full turns. This upward pressure helps to create more separation along the surface of the crack, which in turn allows for better flow or saturation when resin is applied. With the crack jack in place, cut a piece of pit tape that will cover the length of the crack . Starting from the lowest point of the crack allows for any trapped air to more easily escape by moving or rising upwards as the liquid begins to move in. Apply the resin slowly. This will allow time for the liquid to completely penetrate down to the vinyl while also giving time for the air to move out. After identifying a change in clarity to the first section of the crack, you may begin laying the pit tape over the resin. As you apply more crack repair resin to the surface, roll the pit tape down to hold the liquid in position while guiding it into the crack. Once the entire length of the crack is covered by both resin and pit tape, you may move on to curing the repair with the UV lamp or direct sunlight. If using a lamp to cure the repair, check to see that you don't disturb the position of the pit tape when positioning the lamp to expose the crack to the required UV light. For longer cracks, the standard lamp will likely need to be repositioned several times to complete the curing process. Make sure to overlap these changes in position to ensure that all areas of the crack receive plenty of UV light. Note that the crack jack should remain in position until the curing process is complete. Larger UV lamps are also available for curing longer cracks, which can reduce user error and shorten the overall curing time. With the resin fully cured, remove the crack jacks from the underside of the glass and pull the pit tape off the windshield surface. Then, using the front edge of a razor blade, scrape away the excess resin until a flush finish is achieved. Thoroughly clean the surface of the glass of any remaining debris, followed by removing the electrical tape. Scrape away any remaining resin and wipe the surface of the windshield with a dry paper towel to prepare the main brake for the chip repair process. Congratulations on a great long crack repair.